learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, angles. In this, we are going to learn first what is angle. Now, what is angle? You just see here. Union two rays having common endpoint is called an angle. Now, in this figure, you can see over here, there are two rays. See, this is your first ray and this is your second ray. When these two ray having a common end, दोनों एक ही end से joint होता है, that is what? That is called as an angle. The common point at which the two rays meet is called vertex. Now, when this common point, when this common point meet, these two ray meet at a one single point, that is called as vertex. What is it called? It's called as a vertex. And how you are going to identify the angle? By the symbol this. This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. Now, there are 7 types of angle. Now, in your previous class, you have learned 3 types of angle. That is acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. So, now we are going to learn more things regarding the angle. Here, first of all, we have learned 3 types of angle in our previous class. That was acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Now, more angles we are going to learn. More types of angle we are going to learn through this chapter. That is through the angle chapter. See, student. Now, in this first figure, name of the angle. Now, first example, I'm going to explain you. Here, name of the angle is angle PYR. What is the name of the angle? Angle PYR. So, how you are going to write it down? How you are going to write it down? You are going to write down angle, symbol of the angle PYR. How you are going to write it down? PYR. That is the name of the angle. Now, next, what you are going to write down? You are going to find out the vertex of the angle. Now, vertex means, I told, when the 2 points meet at a common end, that is the vertex. Now, here in this figure, vertex is what? Vertex is our Y. So, what you are going to write it down? You are going to write it down point Y. What you are going to write down? Point Y. Now, last is arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. How you are going to write down arms? How you are going to identify the arm? Arm means, I have told you, the two rays. The two rays. The one is YP and another is YR. So, how you are going to write it down? But directly YP you are not going to write. How you are going to write? You are going to write by the writing side. जैसे कि side. Side हम mention करेंगे. That is side YP and side YR. Side YP and side YR. So this you are going to identify all the names of the angle, vertex of the angle, and arms of the angle. In this way, you are going to identify all the things. Now, next, second sums, you are going to tell me the answer of the second one. Now, here first, what is the name of the angle? Very good. Everyone is giving the right answer. The name of the angle is angle LMN. N. Very nice. What is the name of the angle? That is angle LMY. But first you will write the symbol of angle. Angle LMN. Very good. Now next, vertex of the angle. What is the vertex of the angle? Very nice. Vertex of the angle is M. Vertex of the angle is M. This is common. That is M. Very nice. And the last, what are the arms of the angle? Arms क्या है इसमें? For the second one, what are the arms? Very good. Side ML and side MN. Side ML and side MN. Very okay. That means you people have understood vertex, angles, and arms. Now we will start with the third one. Now I'll unmute any one of the student. He is going to reply me the answer. Okay. Now I'll unmute Kinjal.
Yes, Kinjal, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Kinjal, tell me the third name of the angle.
Third name of the angle. B. BONS.
Once again, repeat.
BONS.
BO.
NS.
And no, you are not going to write it and. I already told how you're going to write it down. I told
Okay.
you are going to write it down like
B
angle BOS.
S.
And मैंने लिखा है कि इसमें?
नहीं.
So if you are writing and, that will be wrong. So what is the answer? Once again, repeat.
Angle BOS.
Very good. Mute yourself. Okay, the another student is Riya Kadam. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Now tell me the vertex of the angle in the third figure.
Point O.
Very good. Point O is the vertex of the angle. Okay, mute yourself. Now another one. Soham Shinde. Soham Shinde, I have unmuted you. Okay, he's not replying. Okay. Tejas, I have unmuted you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, hello, Tejas.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, Tejas, tell me the third answer. Arms of the angle, third figure. What are the arms of the angle?
Side OB and side OS.
Where is A written over there in the third figure?
No, teacher. A not.
Then you are told A, na?
No.
Once again, repeat the answer.
Side OB and side OS.
Very good, right. Side OB and side OS. Okay. Now we are going to learn the different types of angle. Now we are going to learn the different types of angle. First, zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Already in the first slide, I have told you there are 7 types of angles. Now the 7 types of angles are zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. These are the 7 types of angles. Now we are going to learn one by one. Now the first types of angle, that is zero angle. Now zero angle means what? The angle which measures 0 degree. जो angles, एक angles उसका measure कितना होता है? 0. So that angle is called as zero angle. That angle is called as zero angle. With this figure also you can see over here. In this figure, it is shown that the measure of the angle is 0. So that type of angle is what? That type of angle is zero angle. Now the second is acute angle. Now acute angle means what? Now already we have learned in the previous class also. So just a revision of acute angle also. An angle which measure more than 0 but less than 90 degree. एक angle जिसका measure how much? That measure will be more than 0. 0 से ज़्यादा but 90 से कम. So that type of angle is called as acute angle. That type of angle is called as acute angle. Now first zero angle means उसका measure कितना होना चाहिए? 0. And acute angle means more than 0 but less than 90. For example, if it is 89 degree, 89 degree is there, 89 degree. So this is also which type of angle? Can you tell me the answer in the chat box? This is also which type of angle? If it is 89 degree, that is very good. It is also an acute angle triangle. If it is 15 degree, if it is 15 degree, that means it is which type of angle? Very good. It is also acute angle. क्यों? क्योंकि 90 से कम है, 90 degree से कम है. So this is what? This is our acute angle only. Now, if I write 0 degree. 0 degree means what? Which type of angle? 0 degree means it is very good. It is zero angle. Zero angle. See, don't get confused. 0 degree आएगा, so it is zero angle. If 0 से ज़्यादा and 90 से कम, so that is what? That is our acute angle. Okay. Now we will move for the next types of angle. Okay. Okay, the next type of angle is right angle. Now, right angle means what? Exactly 90 degree. ना 90 से ज़्यादा, ना 90 से कम. Exactly जो 90 degree होता है, that is what? That is our right angle. So, whenever the number is written 90 degree, 90 degree means it is which type of angle? 90 degree means it is a right angle. Now next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means what? An angle which measure more than 90 but less than 180 degree. एक angle जो 90 से ज़्यादा but 180 से कम. So that type of angle is what? That type of angle is an obtuse angle. You can see over here in this figure. See, it is shown like this. See, exactly 90 means it should be straight, showing the 90 degree. See this figure, 90 degree means it is exactly straight, having the 90 measurement, but it is 90 से ज़्यादा, more दिखाया है. So it is what? It is a obtuse angle. It is which type of angle? It is obtuse angle showing more than 90 degree. Now, if I draw one line and this, it is which type of angle? Yes, it is which type of angle? Very good. It is acute angle because it is not exactly 90. 90 से कम दिख रहा है. So it is an acute angle. Now if I draw like this in this same figure, if I draw, so which type of angle it is? Very nice. It is obtuse angle, that is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. 180 degree means it should be a straight. See in your protector, जो हमारे पास D होता है, the protector. See the protector is showing the degree. The protector is showing the degree. It is written 10, 20. यहाँ पे लिखा रहता है 10, 20, 30, 40. Exactly will be straight, will be 90. फिर 100, 110, 120. See in the protector it is shown all the things. So exactly if it is showing like this 120 degree, if it is 120 degree, 120 degree means it is which type of angle? It is a obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. So here you have to remember it. Exactly 90 means right angle, more than 90 but less than 180. That is an obtuse angle. More than 0 but less than 90. It is a acute angle. And exactly 0. Zero measure is what? Zero measure is our zero angle. Now 4 angle we have learned: zero angle, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. So till here if anybody having doubt they can clear. Okay. Now the other types are straight angle. The other type is straight angle. Now what do you mean by straight angle? An angle of measure exactly 180 degree. Angle of measure exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. With this figure also you can see. See, you can see with this figure. See, this is line which is exactly straight. पूरा एक राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ है. देखो एक पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट हुआ है. कितना डिग्री का होता है वो? 180 डिग्री का. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन विच कंप्लीट्स द degree, which complete the degree, that is called as straight angle. And the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. The measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. Just wait a minute. Student, don't get confused regarding the others angle. Step by step, I am explaining each and every angle. Now, straight angle means one complete round नहीं बोला. एक exactly एक straight line angle which complete it is called as a straight angle. Now next is reflex angle. Now reflex angles means what? An angle which measure more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So that angle is called as reflex angle. Now reflex means what? Shadow type. Reflex मतलब क्या होता है? एक shadow होता है. Now you can see over in this figure. See, this is एक straight नहीं है, उसको cross कर रहा है. That means it is more than 180 degree. 180 से ज़्यादा है. So it is going to show you the reflex. Reflex दिखा रहा है आपको. Reflecting हो रहा है. So this is what? This is our reflex angle. But it is not exactly completing. Complete नहीं होता है. It is less than 360 degree. 360 से कम होता है. But it is more than 180 degree. 180 means straight angle. देखो ये straight angle है. इसको भी cross किया, आगे गया वो. Straight 180 से more than. But it is not 360. पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. इफ इट इज कंप्लीटिंग होल राउंड, दैट इज डिफरेंट एंगल, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. बट इट इज नॉट कंप्लीटिंग. क्या है इसमें? व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर इट? 180 से ज्यादा बट 360 डिग्री से कम. 180 से ज्यादा बट 360 से कम. So that is what? That is our reflex angle. Straight angle means exactly 180 degree measure. Reflex angle means 180 से ज्यादा but 360 से come. Now next is your complete angle. Now see here, complete angle means एक पूरा complete round, एक पूरा complete round, that is called as complete angle, and it is exactly how many degree? 360 degree. It is exactly how many degree? It is exactly 360 degree. Now in this figure you can see here, see this line, it is completing, पूरा round लिया है उसने, देखो पूरा round लिया है. So that pura round, that means complete round if it is taking. So it is what? It is an complete angle. It is what? It is an complete angle. So the measure of the complete angle is 360 degree. The measure of the complete angle is 360 degree.